In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Sezzle. So basically what Sezzle is, it's an app where you can buy stuff now but pay later. It's like taking a loan on just like everyday stuff that you could buy. And yeah, so if you don't have enough money in your account, you could just buy it using Sezzle, but you have to pay it later, like once you get your check from your job and stuff. So how you use it is you go to whatever store you want. You could even search stores. Alright, I'm just go to this random store. Wait. And you see here, it brings you to the store's website, which is pretty cool. I press pay with Sezzle. You just have to go to the checkout of whatever like thing you're trying to buy. Okay, let's say I'm trying to buy myself some shoes, and I want these shoes right here. These shoes look pretty nice actually, I can't lie. But yeah, let's say I'm trying to buy these. I'm gonna add them to my basket. Select the size. I'm a 10, so I'm gonna add this to my basket. Proceed to checkout. Pay. And then you're gonna pay, right? But it also says pay with Sezzle right here. So you're gonna wanna select Sezzle at the checkout. And where that is basically you have to put in your credit card information. And as you can see right here, it says buy now, pay later with Sezzle. Okay? And after, like, press pay now, and then it's gonna redirect. Look, I'll show you guys. Pay now. You have to put in all this information. I'm not gonna do it, but you could just read. After clicking pay now, you will be redirected to buy now, pay later with Sezzle to complete your purchase. And let me just go to my account real quick. Payment methods, you're gonna need to input a payment methods. You could either input scheduled payments, a card for scheduled payments, or down payments. And yeah, that's basically how you use Sezzle. You can even get $10 in Sezzle spend if you refer a friend. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.